For Part A of this project, which is the design and implementation of a secure smart office, home office server network for ABC organization. The network consists of two separate groups of users, staff users and contractor users. A file server providing FTP and HTTP services is available for internal documentation sharing. Security features such as VLAN segmentation, ACL implementation, port security and SSH management have also been configured. This is the physical network design of the organization. Router R1 acts as the central routing device connecting two separate networks. Switch S1 is used for the staff network, while switch S2 is used for the contractor network. The file server is connected to the staff network and hosts FTP and HTTP services. The staff network uses subnet 199.40.40.0/26, while the contractor network uses subnet 199.40.41.0/28. Open R1 CLI and then type and show IP interface brief. The router interfaces have been configured successfully. Gigabit Internet 0/0 connects to the staff network and Gigabit Internet 0/1 connects to the contractor network. Both interfaces are operational with an up/out status. Open switch CLI and then type show VLAN brief. This is the staff for VLAN 10. Next, we do for the contractor. Same command, show VLAN brief. This show for VLAN 20 is for contractor. VLAN segmentation has been implemented successfully. VLAN 10 is for staff devices, VLAN 20 is for contractor devices, providing logical separation between the two groups. Next is staff network testing. We open the PC0 and then ping 199.40.40.3. This test verifies communication within the staff network. The successful repairs confirm that devices in VLAN 10 can communicate correctly. Next is staff access to file server. We ping 199.40.40.60. The staff's network can successfully access the file server. This confirms that internet services are available to authorized users. For FTP service demonstration, we start from open the PC2. And then we input FTP 199.40.40.60. Then for username, staff, password 123. Then dir. The FTP service is functioning correctly. Users can authenticate successfully and access files stored on the file server. Next, we will do the contractor restriction test. We open guest1 and then we start by ping 199.40.40.2. Contractors are not permitted to access internet staff devices. The failed ping result confirms that the access control list is successfully enforcing the security policy. For contractor FTP access test, still on the guest 1, we type FTP 199.40.40.60, username, staff, password 123, Although contractors cannot access the staff network, they are allowed to access the FTP service as required by the project specification. The successful login confirms that the ACL policy is functioning correctly. We will do the ACL verification. We will open on the R1. We type show SSDs. The ACL allows FTP access to the file server while denying unauthorized access to internal staff devices. The mesh counters indicate that the ACL is actively filtering traffic. For port security verification on the switch, we input show port security. Here, port security has been enabled on access ports to prevent unauthorized devices from connecting to the network. On the same switch, we will do the SSH verification. We input show IP SSH, and then the SSH has been enabled to provide secure remote management access to the router. In conclusion, the Soho network was successfully designed and implemented according to the project requirements. VLAN segmentation, FTP services, ACL security policies, port security, and device hardening were configured successfully. Testing verified that the network operates correctly while enforcing the required security restrictions. Thank you.
First, place all the switches and router needed for the building. Next, place the required devices. Then, connect all the devices using copper thread-through cables. Now, let's add the required servers. Then connect them with copper thread-through cable the same way. Then set up the router. Now we'll add the tablet and the smartphone, which will need a wireless connection. Now, let's configure the IP address for the DNS server, DHCP server, web server, and email server. Then, enter all the commands for main L2 switch. Now enter all the commands for main L3 switch. Next, enter all the commands for building 1 switch. Next, enter all the commands for building two switch. Then enter all the commands for server switch. Then enter all the commands for branch switch. Now enter all the commands for main router. Next, enter all the commands for remote router. Then, use color boxes to separate each building. Next, assign IP addresses to the devices. Then ping the device. Now check the port security status for all switch. Next, check the DHCP snooping on all buildings. Next, testing the ICMP block. Then checking ACL rule matches. Now testing normal web traffic. Finally, send a test email to another PC. And now, the other PC can successfully receive that email.